Hi, my name is Maria Geary. May I give you a 2-minute overview so that you'll be able to read your auto insurance contract? Let's start. Liability is how you cover other people and their vehicle if it's your fault in an accident. So it starts with bodily injury, and that's 2 numbers. The first number is one person's medical injuries. The second number is everybody who might have been involved. The third number is going to be property damage liability. It's how you repair their property, so a vehicle offense, whatever was damaged. The next set of numbers is going to be medical, and that's going to be for you and the people in your car. Somebody shuts a finger in a door or rolls an ankle getting out of your car, any kind of medical that might be necessary, that would be covered under that number. Next, you're going to have uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. These coverages are to cover you and the people in your car if the other party who is at fault doesn't have any insurance or not enough insurance. That way you can still get yourselves taken care of. The next set of numbers are going to be specific to each individual vehicle. So you're going to have your comprehensive and collision coverage. Those have deductibles if you want the insurance company to take care of damage to your car. So comprehensive is those non-moving incidences. It catches on fire or it's keyed, something like that. The collision coverage is the moving things. So anytime your vehicle is in motion, it's going to be collision coverage. You also have the option of adding on towing. You have the option of adding on rental car coverage. Rental car is going to be if your vehicle is in an accident and being repaired by the insurance company, it allows you to get another vehicle to drive while that vehicle is being fixed. And then the last is you have the optional coverage of no deductible on glass. So that's a really quick summary, but I think with that information, you should be able to look at your existing policy and say, okay, this is what I actually have currently. Hopefully that's helpful. Have a good day.